back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a farm tour at the other farm, so let's get into that. First off, we're starting off in the main sheep barn. Right here you can pour grain down this and they can eat through this hole, but we're used to feeding them out in these troughs, and then you let them out over there. Right here is the chute, and we have a hole driller here with it. Nothing hard, just crowd them into this pen and then load them up into your trailer. The manure pit right here is empty because we have been hauling manure to another farm, and now we're using manure from our home farm to haul it there. This group of ewes here is weaned ewes or open ewes from preg scanning, and we are going to be breeding them soon. And right here is some pregnant ewes. We're hauling ewes home to pasture right now. And that video with the hauling ewes to pasture will come out before this farm tour video. The hay feeders we use, they're nice for sheep, and there's 3 over there in the pregnant ewes pen. Here's the cattle. We keep them all in this row or at home on pasture. And then right here's the ram pen. We got some kitties. There's the bull. Roll up door here, and here's the cattle feed. This is where we get the grain out of for the sheep. That's it for the barn, but right here we got our manure spreader. We got a plow, dump wagon that we are using for wood. We have a old gravity wagon, has no wheels on it, and beside it we have a disc. This is how we were feeding cows before. We would have a feeder right there, but right now there's sheep in there. Back there you got pasture field, and then Italian ryegrass back there. Here we got our packer and our harrow that we were using in the Italian ryegrass video. We have this bin, those two, and those 2 bins. This shed right here is a mix mill. I'm gonna go in there right now. Oh yeah, and a trailer. We have a loader, diesel and gas, a wagon, another water wagon. We have 2. This one's just a barrel on top of a wagon. 2 gravity wagons, trailer, and then there's a rake behind that. And here is the well. Now guys, we're gonna go inside the shop. In the shop, it's got tools, tires, everything we need, a fridge. And these are actually gonna be going in the coverall. Out here in the equipment shed, we got a small square baler, round baler, sprayer, John Deere tractor, seeder, wrapper, old seeder, 7710 Ford, cement mixer, and snowblower. Now in the coverall, these are brand new lambs. They were just put in here. We have creep for them in their feeders. And then here's some ewe lambs. They just get corn in their feeders. And then we have the oldest ewe lambs. Pretty sure they're the oldest. Or these ones are the oldest. I don't remember. And then right there, water bowl and water bowl. Right here is bale wraps. We wrap it with the wrapper that I showed you. Now guys, I'm going to show some clips of around the farm. That's going to be it for the second farm tour at the other farm this time. So if you guys did enjoy, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.